Hey everyone, and welcome to Healthy Recipes with Rachel, registered dietitian at Texas Health Southlake. So today I'm going to be making shrimp tostadas with guacamole and pico de gallo. This is a quick and easy recipe and something everyone at the table will love. You'll find step-by-step instructions for this recipe by downloading my favorite meal planning app, Mealime. Let's go ahead and get started. So according to a study published in the Public Health Nutrition Journal, people who actually eat meals at home consume 200 fewer calories compared to those who eat out on a regular basis. So when preparing your own meals, you actually have more control over your ingredients that you use. So for these tostadas, for example, go ahead and get creative. Consider adding some black beans, shredded chicken, some lettuce, and veggies. And if you have any questions or interested in meeting with a registered dietitian, we offer outpatient nutrition counseling at Texas Health Southlake and would love to help you meet your nutritional needs and health goals. Thank you everyone, and tune in next time for Healthy Recipes with Rachel.